you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen? You are not even interested in creating content at that particular time, or you don't even know what to post, or you're just tired, or you feel unmotivated, or you have a deadline to post a content and you don't know what to post at that particular time. You are in the right place, because I've been there. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the super effective content batching hacks that works for any social media platform. Grab your notebook, because we are about to turn your content creation from chaotic to streamlined. What does content batching means? Content batching means that is like a practice of creating multiple pieces of content in one go. Yes, rather than you scrambling to create something new every single day. It actually helps you save time. You stay consistent, and you actually enjoy the process of creating content every step of the way. Number one hack of actually creating content, batch creating content. Number one hack for me is set a content calendar. Yes, set a content calendar. Have a content calendar. This might sound basic, trust me, but it's a game changer. I've worked with this over and over again. You can just start by mapping out your month's content idea. Note down the key dates, the holidays, or events relevant to your niche. This gives you like a clear roadmap and helps you brainstorm ideas ahead of time. You can use simple tools like Google Calendar, or even a good old-fashioned planner. You can even use your notes app on your iPhone. The clearer the plan, the easier it is to actually batch create your content. Number two hack is theme your days. Yes, theme your days. Instead of creating random everyday content, like random content that actually do with your own mood, assign themes to different days of the week. I'm telling you, this is going to change everything for you. For example, you could have a motivation Monday for quotes, or a tip Tuesday for quick advice, and a throwback Thursday for nostalgia posts. This actually not only helps you stay organized, but also makes your content, it makes it easier to generate ideas when you know the theme in advance. It's very easy to just sit down and think about it. What am I going to talk about today? I'm talking about quotes. Let me think about the best of the best quote that I'm going to share with them. It's just making your life easier, guys. Then hack number 3 is use templates. Yes, work smarter, not harder. Use templates. Whether you are creating a design on Canva, or videos, or even captions, have a template. It saves you tons and tons of time. Tools like Canva is the best bet. Adobe Spark is also very good. You have a pre-made template that you can actually customize to your preference. This way you spend less time designing and more time focusing on your own message. It makes your content actually valuable when you set out time to think about them. Then hack number 4 is batch record your videos or your photos. When you do this, what you can do is like pick a day and where you can dedicate few hours to shooting multiple pieces of content. Change your clothes, change your wigs, change your makeup, change your outfits, switch things up, switch everything up, the background, and voila, that is done. Then you will also have a stash of content ready to go. This method not only saves time, but also keeps your energy up since you are in your creation mood, because most of the time we are all not in the same mood all through the week. Sometimes you feel like creating content, and sometimes you don't even feel like touching your phone or your gadgets, and you already have content that you already planned ahead. But last but not the least is hack number 5, which is schedule your posts. Use social media management tools like Buffer, use Hootsuite or Later, and Instagram. Good to say that Instagram has an inbuilt scheduling feature that you can use to schedule up to 15 posts, and you can easily schedule ahead your posts, and you can just sit back and watch your posts go live while you focus on other things. Talk about win-win for you and for your business. It's easier when you already schedule your posts. It makes your work easy. You don't have to think about it. There you have it, guys. 5 killer content batching hacks that can work for any social media platform. I hope you found this video and these tips helpful, that it inspire you to take your content creation game to the next level. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe for more awesome tips, and drop a comment below with your own content batching hacks. Let's help each other out, guys, and until next time, guys, keep creating and stay inspired. I can't wait to have your comments and read them to be inspired. Bye, guys.